Good morning, students. Today I am going to start your new chapter of English language book, that is determiners. Now what are determiners? Determiners are words placed in front of a noun to make clear what the noun refers to. Mainly they are placed before the noun to show the reference, okay? They all come at the beginning of the noun phrases. Either they are placed before the nouns or they are placed before the noun phrases, and usually we cannot use more than one determiner in same noun phrase. Whenever we use a determiner before a noun phrase or a noun, we use only one. We cannot use more than one determiner. For example, you see, already noun phrase I have taught you in the first chapter. Now these are some examples of noun phrase. My pen, this ceremony, a Coca-Cola can, any question, that jar, a lot of food, a disappointed parent. You can understand the main noun in this sentence is pen, okay? And this word is a determiner. Why? This is a pen, and whose pen it is? It is my pen. It is determining the position, right? Ceremony is the main noun, and which ceremony? This. This is a determiner. Okay, students. Now, the examples in those sentences of determiners were the, an, a, this, one, my, your, a little, and these, which, other, those, most. These are all determiners. These are all placed before the noun or the noun phrase. Now let's take this example. This is an example. The grade 7 Exodus was awarded as the most disciplined section of the month. In my first chapter, I told you recognize the verb or the helping verb, and before that it is a subject, and the word that determines the position or it is placed before the noun is called the determiner. Right? Grade 7 Exodus, the is determiner. Now see here, the most disciplined section of the month. Okay. That man in blue shirt is my brother. That man in blue shirt is phrasal subject, and man के पहले क्या लगा हुआ है? That man. तो कौन से man की बात हो रही है? That man की. That is a determiner. Okay. Now I'll talk about the classes of determiner. There are mainly 8 classes of determiner. Articles, a and the, then demonstratives, quantifiers, quantifiers जो quantity बताते हैं, possessives जो अभी बताया position बताते हैं, numbers 1, 2, these type of numbers also, cardinal and ordinal, distributives or indefinite pronouns, and question words what, which, where, these are also determiners. Now articles, अभी बताया what are articles? A, an and the. If they are placed before a noun, a pen, a man, the man, a and the, these all are determiners. Why? Because they show the quantity or the possessiveness. The definite article the signals that the reference is specific. The कब use होता है? जब कोई चीज़ specific आपको बताई जा रही है. Right? There is a lion in the jungle. There is a lion in the jungle. जंगल में एक शेर है. The lion is furious. अब उसी lion की बात हो रही है that it is furious. Okay. Now definite and indefinite articles. The, a and an. The visitors are coming. When we talk here, the visitors. Visitors is a noun and the is a determiner. A box of chocolate was eaten by Lance. A box of chocolate. Box of chocolate का determiner क्या है? A. Means कितने box of chocolate खाए? 1. A is used for 1. The is used for a specific person or thing. Right? Now demonstratives. This, that, these, those. सिंगुलर होते हैं, दिस एंड दैट इज यूज्ड फॉर सिंगुलर एंड दीज एंड दोज आर यूज्ड इन प्लूरल फॉर्म्स। ये भी डिमॉन्स्ट्रेटिव्स होते हैं, दिस पेन, दैट मैन, दीज पेंसिल्स, दोज पीपल, ये सारे के सारे डिटर्मिनर्स होते हैं, राइट। नाउ सी हियर इज एन एग्जाम्पल, दिस पेयर ऑफ शूज, कौन से, दिस इज डिटर्मिनर। आई थिंक दैट गर्ल इज देयर लीडर, दैट गर्ल, दिस इज अ डिटर्मिनर, ओके। नाउ दीज आर क्वांटिफायर्स, quantifiers, they show the quantity, these all are quantifiers, you have to learn them, few, much, most, some, any, more, little, many, a lot of, other, enough, such, these are all quantifiers and determiners, right. Now some students are not in their proper uniform, here some students, कितने स्टूडेंट्स हैं, सम हैं, राइट। प्रॉपर यूनिफॉर्म किसकी, देयर। मोस्ट स्टूडेंट्स, कौन से स्टूडेंट्स हैं, मोस्ट हैं, राइट। दीज आर ऑल डिटर्मिनर्स। ये क्या बता रहे हैं, दे आर शोइंग द क्वांटिटी, कितने हैं स्टूडेंट्स, सम हैं, मोस्ट हैं, राइट। नाउ पजेसिव्स, अभी आपको बताया जो पोजीशन बताते हैं कि चीज़ किसकी है, नाउन किसका है, माई, योर, हिज, हर, इट्स, आर, देयर, these are all possessive determiners which show the possession, right. Example, my brother, I will show you our new pet, my and our, these are all possessive determiners, right, possessive forms of determiner. Now what are cardinal numbers and ordinal numbers? Cardinal numbers, सिंपल नंबर्स जो आप यूज़ करते हैं, आई हैव 1 पेन, आई हैव 35 एलिफेंट्स, राइट, आई हैव 2 पेंसिल्स। ये जो क्वांटिटीज़ बता रहे हैं, नाउन्स के पहले जो क्वांटिटीज़ आती हैं, दीज आर नोन एज कार्डिनल, राइट। मोस्ट, फ्यू, मच, ये सारे कौन से होते हैं स्टूडेंट्स, मोस्ट, फ्यू एंड मच, दीज आर ऑल quantifiers, then these are all possessives and these are cardinal numbers, ये वाले सारे cardinal हैं। Now what are ordinal? 2 dogs, here is the example, 2 dogs, 30, these are all cardinal numbers. Now what are ordinal? First, last, 50, 20, इस तरीके से जो यूज़ होते हैं वर्ड्स, ये सारे ऑर्डिनल होते हैं। फॉर एग्जाम्पल, लफी डिफीटेड द फर्स्ट कमांडर इन द ब्लैक बियर्ड पायरेट्स। फर्स्ट कमांडर, फर्स्ट इज द ऑर्डिनल नंबर। देन दीज आर डिस्ट्रीब्यूटिव्स, डिटरमाइनर्स, जो डिस्ट्रीब्यूशन कर देते हैं। आपको मालूम है किसी भी चीज़ को डिस्ट्रीब्यूट करना मीन्स बोथ, दोनों, ईदर, नीदर, हाफ, ईच, एवरी, ऑल, these are all distributive determiners. Okay students, so hope all of you understood the topic. Now we will do the exercises. Okay, good day all.